Sawyer's hollow fiber membrane water filters are comprised of U-shaped microtubes that allow water to enter into their core through tiny micropores while trapping the bacteria and protozoa on the outside. The high volume of tubes creates an enormous surface area, which results in a very high flow rate and less cleaning. In fact, the surface area compared to a ceramic filter is about 20:1. So the 20th time you've cleaned your ceramic pump, it will be the first time you have to clean your Sawyer filter. However, most people clean them more often because it's quick and easy to do so. The bottom line is you'll hardly ever have to clean the Sawyer filter while in the field, but you could if you needed to. Sawyer filters offer the highest level of filtration available today. The micron size on our filters is absolute, not nominal. That means there's no pore larger than 0.1 micron on the filter or 0.02 micron on the purifier. And each filter is quality control tested 3 times before it reaches the shelf. This makes it impossible for harmful bacteria, protozoa, or cysts like Giardia, E. coli, or Cryptosporidium to pass through the filter. Our 0.02 micron purifier can even filter out a virus without the use of chemicals.